Do you know what you need to build a super aesthetic physique you ever dreamed of? You don't need a fancy gym, rich parents, and you definitely don't need permission. What you need is a plan that works anywhere and the discipline to follow through when your bank account says zero. Because I have gone from scrawny and broke to muscular and disciplined with nothing but floor space, two chairs, and a pull up bar that reeked of rust. By the end of this video, you will have two clear routines, one for the gym, one for the home that will turn you from weak to warrior in just 6 months. Stay with me. Let's build the body that nobody thought you could. In part 2, we fixed your diet and now it's time to train. By the way, if you didn't have watched that video, go first and watch that now because that was the foundation of your fitness transformation. Without that, don't even assume you could build a physique decent enough to impress your crush. Now, let's start with the video. Whether you have got access to weights or just bare concrete floors, this video gives you both paths. What matters isn't what you have, it's what you do with it. By the end of this video, you will know the 5 exercises that build muscle faster than 99% of gym fluff, a complete at-home routine that made me shredded with zero equipment, and how to switch between them depending on your situation. This isn't about theory, this is the playbook I followed when I had nothing and came out stronger than the half guys with gym memberships. So stay tuned. Let's say you have got a gym membership. Good, but don't waste it like most guys do. Forget flashy machines and 10 types of girls. Stick to the basic kinks of bodybuilding. Incline bench press, squats, overhead press, rows, and pull-ups. That's all you need to build that aesthetic physique you ever dreamed of. It's fine if you want to do some bicep curls or lateral raises. Do them in the end of your workout when you're less fatigued and have less room for growth. Now, how will you perform them? All you need is 3 sets, rest for a minute and two, and focus on your form rather than ego. Your goal should be to add weight every week, just even a small play. And that's called real progress. That's how you actually build muscle. Hit this routine 3 times a week and see that body growing. Now maybe you are like how I started lifting. No money, no gym. So no excuses also. Here's the truth. Your body doesn't know if it's lifting iron plates or its own weight. It just knows tension. I built muscle in my room on my rooftop with zero gear. So what are the basic core exercises you need to start your calisthenics journey? That are pull-ups, push-ups, bodyweight squats, and if you like to do some abs, planks and leg raises are your way to go. And here's a simple routine if you are a beginner and don't know anything about calisthenics. You can do 10 push-ups followed by 5 pull-ups, 10 squats and 30-second plank. Repeat them for 5 rounds and you're ready to go for the whole day. You don't need anything else out of this, and if you can afford, buy a pair of dumbbells and do some lateral raises because that's the most important muscle if you want to look aesthetic. And that's how you actually progress in calisthenics. Now listen, if you are still here, you are not average. I built something for men like you, men like us. A private community for muscle, mindset and money. No flexing, no fluff, just complete results. The first 5 members are joining for free to help me shape the community. And a spoiler, 2 members are already in. So we are left us with 3 members. So join fast, links in the description. Or just keep pretending tomorrow's the day you will start. You have to agree on this point that life isn't perfect. 1 month you have a gym, next month you don't have it. You are broke, just like me. So what do? What do real men do? They adapt. If you have gym access, do compound slave, just told you. And if you don't have access to your gym, do bodyweight circuits. And if you are stuck somewhere, just do 10-minute push-up routines or crunches on your car seat. Your muscles don't care where you train or how you train. They only care if you show up and push harder than last time. The mindset to adapt, stay consistent through chaos. This mindset to adapt, to stay consistent through chaos is what built warriors. Not gym selfies, no supplements. All you need is complete discipline. Let's wrap it up. If you have got weights, master the compound lifts first. And if you have got nothing, dominate your own body weight. If you got excuses, delete them or just delete yourself. Train anywhere, train hard, stay consistent. In the next video, I will show you how to track your progress like a beast, avoid burnout and recover faster so you can train harder without breaking down. Until then, that WOP community link still waiting below, still free for a few. Your choice. Click it and level up or keep scrolling for your next dopamine hit. You know what to do.